Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the motor on a Dyson stick vacuum. If your vacuum has stopped working and the battery and the charger have been checked, then it is likely that the motor has failed and it will need to be replaced. Always work safely. Disconnect the appliance before you start the repair. I'm going to begin by taking the wand and motor head off and then remove the bin by pushing down the red catch once to release the flap at the bottom and again to release the bin itself. Next, I need to remove the battery by first undoing the screw at the back of the handle here. And then the screw at the front near the cyclone. With both screws out, you can then lift the battery away. Next, I need to remove the cyclone from the motor itself. A new motor will come with a separator tool that has two prongs at the top, and those prongs are designed to push down onto these two white catches here. So grab your separator tool with the ridge at the top near the prongs facing the cyclone. Push down between the cyclone and the motor and activate those two white clips. You can then take the tool away and separate the two halves. Just to show you what the separator tool does, just pushes down onto those two white clips and releases the cyclone. Grab your new motor, and then to attach the cyclone to it, simply push the two parts together. You can then slide your battery back in and refit the two screws. To refit the bin, ensure that the tab at the front of the cyclone fits under the front lip of the bin, and then it should click into place. Then refit the wand and motor head and test. So there we have it, how to replace a motor on a Dyson stick vacuum. Give this video a thumbs up if we've helped you, and subscribe for more handy how-to videos. Find all the spares and accessories you will ever need on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.